Showing off to you today just something simple, something easy, something compact that I originally just picked up for my kid's dorm, but now have picked up an extra one for the house, and it's just this little mini cordless electric screwdriver. Obviously, it's not a big full drill. It's not going to have the torque of a big full drill, but for my kids' dorm room, this is perfect. Something for them to do a little bit of light work in, and this works so well. It's got a little carry case, a little storage case with all the things that they are going to need. It comes with a ton of different bits and options to give them just kind of a little starter kit for anything they could need. A handful of little sockets with a little socket adapter. It does have the Torx and the square head screws, bits for any of the Torx or square bit screws that they might run into. Don't know how much they're going to use those, but it's a nice little addition, and a couple of your standard Phillips and slotted bits as well. But the thing that I absolutely love, and the reason I actually ended up picking up one of these for our junk drawer at home, is it does come with a flexible extension shaft, excuse me. And so if you've never seen one of these in action, all you have to do is slide it in, and it allows you to operate this part of the drill around objects and obstructions. This works great for doorknobs, and that's, if you've ever tried to tighten a doorknob or to loosen or take apart a doorknob, one of the most annoying things is how difficult it is to get the shaft of a screwdriver in there to remove the screws, where this can just kind of bend and mold around the shape, and it's perfect. And so picked one of these up for us as well. Anyway, it would be a great addition for a dorm, for a junk drawer, for just some light, easy work around the house. Charging it is pretty simple. It's a standard USB-C. My whole world is USB-C now, so that's great. I don't have to go and run and hunt down extra cords or find this cord. I can plug it into basically anything I already have lying around the house. And it's got a battery check option. 3 lights means 100%. Just the red and the yellow light means 50%, and then just the red light means 25%. So a quick and easy indicator. Overall, if you're looking for a really simple electric screwdriver to do just a small handful of handy things around the house, I think this is a great option.